Welcome to Galle Fort, one of the most breathtaking and historic destinations in Sri Lanka. Located on the south coast of the island, Galle Fort is more than just a landmark. It is a living story that blends culture, history, and natural beauty into one unforgettable experience. As you walk through its gates, you are stepping into a world that dates back over 400 years. The fort was first built by the Portuguese in the 16th century and later expanded and strengthened by the Dutch in the 17th century. Today, it stands as a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the best preserved colonial forts in Asia. Every wall, every street, and every building here has a story to tell. As you explore the narrow cobblestone streets, you will notice a unique mix of European architecture and South Asian traditions. From charming colonial houses to stylish cafes, boutique shops, and art galleries, Galle Fort offers something for everyone. It's a place where history meets modern lifestyle. One of the most iconic features of Galle Fort is its massive stone ramparts. These walls were once built to protect the city from invasions, but today they offer some of the most stunning views of the Indian Ocean. Walking along the ramparts during sunset is an unforgettable experience, as the sky turns shades of orange and gold while waves crash against the rocks below. Another must-see attraction is the famous Galle Lighthouse, standing proudly at the edge of the fort. It is one of the most photographed landmarks in Sri Lanka and a symbol of the fort's timeless beauty. But Galle Fort is not just about history and scenery, it's also about atmosphere. You'll see locals and travelers from around the world enjoying peaceful walks, sipping coffee, exploring hidden corners, and capturing beautiful moments. The calm and relaxed vibe makes it a perfect place to slow down and truly enjoy your surroundings. Whether you are a history lover, a photographer, or simply someone looking for a unique travel experience, Galle Fort has something special to offer. It's a place where the past and present come together in perfect harmony. So if you are planning to visit Sri Lanka, make sure Galle Fort is on your list. Come walk through its historic streets, feel the ocean breeze, and experience the magic of this incredible destination. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you here in beautiful Galle Fort very soon.